Sportage 2016 diesel 1,685 cubic centimeters. How to replace the air filter. Pull the cover to access the air filter. Pull the two gray tabs to release the air filter. On the new filter, make sure the gray tabs are pulled into the unlocked position. Put the new air filter into the housing. Push the tabs in to lock the filter in position. And close the casing. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and remember it's free to subscribe.